Hi all, we are the Autochthonous Catablog team from SL Public School, Mysore. Our problem statement is design solutions to boost the tourism industry in India.
The best way to promote a place is to involve the local residents who have been living there for generations. No one except the local people living in the place can better promote the specialities available in their place. That is why we have come up with a web app called Autochthonous Catablog, in which every place in our country will be promoted by the people living there. People who are interested in promoting their place can register in our web app free of cost. The only criteria for registrations are that those who are registering need to upload their proof of residence in the web app. We have taken Mysore as an example to showcase our idea. We have extensively surveyed people living in Mysore for generations to find out the specialities of the place. Our web app has many categories: street food delights, joyful interactions, remarkable experiences, and much more. Our street food delights range from specially made Mysore Pak sweet for the royals to the delectable sugarcane juice and tender coconut drink. We have exciting interactions where the local residents will take the guests for Tonga rides or share a family lunch for a native Mysore cuisine with them, or have the guests accompanying them while harvesting the Mysore Mallige in their fields. A remarkable experience package include learning yoga from world-class teachers or learn the art of jaggery making from the skilled alumni workers of Mandya. Our web app has vlogs of registered residents who would like to act as hosts and the details of their service which will be available on the web app. The tourists can book their slots beforehand. The tourists have the option to review their experiences. Based on the reviews, the host will be credited with score points and the score points will be converted to coupons or vouchers. As for now, we have only built the page for Mysore and we would like to extend it to all the other places in our country. True sense of traveling is not going around monuments and taking photographs. It is enjoying the unique things of the place. That is what a web app offers.
I did the designing of the web page with the help of Gagan and Ridan. Gagan did the logo designing, and we all did the video blogs. Signing off from our team, Autochthonous